I was just sent this de-rusting weeding wheel for the end of my trimmer. Normally I'm a guy that uses trimmer string, but this thing supposedly cuts some brush, so let's go ahead and put it on. I'll show you how to install this guy. It also works for de-rusting too, so if you had a lot of rust, this will work like a big grinding wheel on the bottom of this. My trimmer is an FS90R. It's a Stihl branded trimmer, and when you take off the end, it has these two pieces that are just loosely put here on the end. We're going to go ahead and retain those back on there like that. That'll allow it to spin. Next thing we're going to do is provide this 10 teeth piece that they provided here. I'm going to put that with the bevel side down. We're going to insert that over the end of that until that locks in place with the teeth. Then we're going to insert this massive wire brush wheel over the end of this, where that'll center that up over the top of that like that. Underneath side, you've now got this protective dome that's going to go underneath here like this. And then lastly, they provide you with a lock nut that goes on the bottom to tighten everything down. If for some reason the threaded bolt sticking out of the bottom of your trimmer is not quite long enough for your brand, if you remove this piece and actually just insert this lock nut right over the end of this thing, you can go ahead and tighten that down. Again, remembering that it is lefty to tighten it on this guy, and you're going to crank that down on there, and then that will allow you to go ahead and run your brush.